Hey guys, Leah here from Smartin, and today I'm going to go over how Smartin tracks your progress and how to make multiple choice smart quizzes. On the left, you can see that these are the topics that I need to review a little bit more on. That's totally fine that there's a lot, it's just I'm at the beginning of my study journey and I still have some more work to do. On the right, it's showing the two topics that I'm pretty strong at, so respiratory and fundamentals is maybe not where I'm going to spend most of my time. The nice part about here is you can go and quiz yourself on just a specific topic, or you can create a smart quiz. So I'm going to go to quiz yourself. And you can see here we have tons of different topics. We have multiple choice questions, next gen case studies, and you can do a combination of both. These are all the topics that you can choose from. So you can see there's a nice combination of many. I'm going to pick 3 topics that I am not doing great at. So I'm going to pick endocrinology, cardiac, and GIGU. And then I'm going to click create my smart quiz. So this is what our questions look like. The best part is that you can actually see the rationale on why you got your answer right or wrong. So here I'm going to answer the question and see, oh, I got it wrong. But here you can read why I got it wrong and why the right answer was actually correct. So now I'm going to fast forward through my quiz because as much as you'd like to see me get answers wrong, I don't really want you to. But the questions are really high quality, all with rationale based on the topics that you really need to learn. So here I am answering all my questions. I'm going through until the very end, and then Smartin's going to give me my personalized feedback. So here are the results. I ended up not doing as well as I wanted to, but that's okay because I'm still learning. It's telling me that I did actually pretty well in endocrine and metabolic, which is something I need to work on, but I still need to work on my GIGU and cardiac. But the nice thing is, as now you can see my dashboard, it's actually updated in real time, letting me know that, you know what, my endocrine knowledge is pretty good, and maybe I don't need to spend as much time studying it. And that's truly my favorite thing about Smartin. Our AI technology can help you really focus on the areas that you're the weakest so you can become stronger for test day and be the best test writer you can be. So sign up for your membership today and start studying smarter. You got this.